Hello there. My name is Bingo Baldo. I am an active participant of network marketing/affiliate marketing since 1975. I am also a full-time internet marketer since 2012, after retiring as diagnostic radiologist of 40+ years. I'm sure you would agree that it is worth learning how to promote anything worth promoting in the internet, using funnel pages creators, together with using autoresponders and traffic generation systems. But if I told you that the time and dedicated efforts you invest in learning funnel pages creation will give you several-fold returns, if you also add tweaking and then tracking of your results. In this video, I'm going to show you the simple steps to sign up for an affiliate marketer account with Power Lead System, and then the needed training on how to use PLS. The more time and dedicated effort spent, the more fun you experience, and the better results will follow. Before I proceed, let me remind you to like and subscribe to our YouTube video channel and to click the small bell button below, so you will not miss a thing. 1. To use PLS, best to get a gold affiliate for $54 monthly fees with no obligation to renew. I have used other funnel pages creators before, including ClickFunnels, but I rate PLS as the best to use for me, which I believe is favored by most network marketers. 2. To sign up, go to the link on the screen. 3. Go to the link on the screen and make sure to check the small box, then click Continue. 4. Go to Pay 7-Day System Package to test this awesome package. Later upgrade to Gold Affiliate Package for a total of $54 per month with no obligation to renew. Higher package products are optional. 5. Go to Login, using the link showed on your screen, or use any login link emailed to you by PLS. 6. After logging in, click Getting Started. Left side of https://www.mycompanyadmin.com/admin/main2.asp. 7. Select which step to do first. A. Click the easy button, Start Here. B. Become an affiliate of PLS, preferably as Gold Affiliate. C. Companies you promote, example, SFI. D. Add your domain. Each task done turns button from red to green. Selecting company you like to promote. There are now hundreds of companies being promoted in PLS, best to find existing templates, easy to add any new company or product inside PLS. Use the sliding button near the bottom of the page to find your company. After selecting the company you like to promote, highlight it by clicking the company template, and then click the Click Here to save. 10. PLS offers excellent comprehensive training. Hover on the main tab Training, and then click the training banner on the left. 11. PLS offers excellent comprehensive training. Hover on the main tab Training, and then click the training banner on the left. Take your time in studying the beginner training videos, and later the ongoing training videos.